Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a problem from application of derivatives. The question is, if f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b and differentiable in open interval a comma b, then prove that there exists at least one c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c by 3c square equals to f of b minus f of a by b cube minus a cube. Okay, first given f dash of c by 3c square equals to f of b minus f of a by b cube minus a cube. Let us rearrange them. What we'll get? B cube minus a cube into f dash of c equals to 3c square into f of b minus f of a, and bring this part to the other side. So b square minus a cube, b cube minus a cube, f dash of c minus 3c square of f of b minus f of a equals to 0. Now let us consider the function. Consider a function f of x. So capital F of x is equals to, in the place of say I took here x, and this is not differentiated function, it is the normal function. So whatever the values came here will be somewhat changed. So before differentiation, what we will get? F of x, right? F dash of c is nothing but the function after differentiation. If we wrote only simple f, it will be the function before differentiation. Okay, so minus f of b minus f of a into this, what you will get? X cube, because d by dx of x cube is equals to 3 into x power 3 minus 1, which is equals to 3x square. We will get this? No. So this is written as like this. Understood? Okay. Now what I'll do here, it is given continuous in closed interval a comma b. So let us substitute. Let us substitute a x equals to a ma, right? So what we'll get? F of a equals to b cube minus a cube into f of a minus f of b minus f of a into a cube, right? So let us expand. B cube f of a minus a cube f of a minus f of b a cube plus a cube f of a cube f of a cube f of a, because of both different signs. So b cube f of a minus a cube f of b, right? Now let us substitute x equals to b. Capital F of b equals to b cube minus a cube into f of b minus of f of b minus f of a into b cube you will get, right? So if you expand again, b cube f of b you will get minus a cube f of b minus b cube f of b plus b cube f of a. So b cube f of b plus plus 1 and b cube f of the negative 1 cancelled. So what left? B cube f of a minus a cube f of b. So from this, take this as equation 1 and this as 2. Therefore from equations 1 and 2, we can say f of a equals to f of b, which satisfies Rolle's theorem, which says that there exists a C C belongs to open interval a comma b such that f of c equals to 0. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.